Welcome to Guess the Animal by Sound. I challenge you to an exciting journey through the animal kingdom. Can you identify the creatures behind these mysterious sounds? Let's find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You won't want to miss the fun and all the new challenges coming your way. Let's get started. Listen carefully and tell me which animal you think matches the sound you're about to hear. A pig. What animal makes this sound? It's a wolf. Listen carefully. What animal makes this sound? You're right. A snake. What animal makes this sound? Listen carefully. A bee. What animal makes this sound? Monkey is correct. Listen carefully. What animal makes this sound? A donkey. Listen closely. What creature could this be? A dolphin. Name this animal by its sound. It's a camel. What animal makes this sound? Listen carefully. A buffalo. Listen closely. What creature could this be? A rooster is correct. Listen up. Can you name the animal behind the sound? A horse. Listen carefully. What animal makes this sound? A frog. What animal makes this sound? Listen carefully. Peacock is correct. What animal makes this sound? Listen carefully. That's an owl. Name this animal by its sound. A blue whale. Name this animal by its sound. A hyena. Listen carefully. What animal makes this sound? Cricket is correct. Listen up. Can you name the animal behind the sound? An elephant. Listen closely. What creature could this be? A lion. Name this animal by its sound. dog. Listen closely. What creature could this be? You're right. A duck is correct. Name this animal by its sound. Yep, that's a cat. Listen up. Can you name the animal behind the sound? That's an eagle. What animal makes this sound? A cow. Listen up. Can you name the animal behind the sound? A crow. Listen up. Can you name the animal behind the sound? A canary. What animal makes the sound? Listen carefully. Correct. That's a goat. What animal makes this sound? A firefly. What animal makes this sound? Listen carefully. A dove. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal by Sound. How many did you guess right? Let us know your score in the comments. We'd love to hear how you did. If you had fun, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting quizzes and challenges. There's plenty more fun coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning and keep having fun. See you in the next quiz.